चलो सी arithmetic progression exercise 5.1 done, right? So next we are doing examples. So page number 102, page number 102, example number 3. Example number 3. Question is saying find the 10th term of an AP. Find the, I'm writing question, find 10th term of AP, and AP is given 2, 7, 12 dot. Getting 2, 7, 12. Now see, I have not told you how to find the 10th term. I till now I have not even told you the formula also. Truth? Achha. Till now, if you know to, like, if you try to do the find, if you try to find the 10th term, if you try to find the, how will find? AP is given 2, 7, 12. You will find the common difference. You will find the common difference. Yes or no? So common difference is how much? 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. Yes or no? Here common difference 12 minus 7 is equal to 5. Correct na? So whatever the common difference comes, next term will be plus 5. Next time will be plus 5, next time will be plus 5, next time will be plus 5. So like that, if we keep doing till 10th term, we will get our answer. Yes or no? Till now, whatever knowledge we have, in that we can do this way only. Yes or no? But we have the formula for it. We have the formula for it, right? Like formula is for the nth term. For the nth term, what is the formula? AN. For the 10th term, do you remember? Speak. A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D. If you need to find the nth term, or see, this only called the either nth term or is called the last term also. Correct na? I am writing here either nth term or last term. Correct na? Acha. This formula is applied from starting to indefinite to find. But if you need to find into a starting, like AP is given something 10, 15, 12, I'm not saying the find the before 15th term. So that time formula will be different. Getting na? This formula is for finding the AP for the last term, from starting to end. Correct na? Yes or no? So n is equal to how much you should find? Which term you should find? So this is your n. This is your n. So n is equal to 10. N is equal to 10. A is equal to, A is the first term. A is the first term. What is the first term? 2. First term is 2. Then D. What is D? What is your D?
D 5, sir.
D is 5. Getting how to get all the values?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
A is equal to 2, D is equal to 5, N is equal to whatever asking. Till it true? Now same thing substitute here. So A n is equal to, A is 2 plus n minus 1 means 2 minus 1 into D is 5. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, n is 10, right?
10.
So 2 plus 9 into 5. 9 5 ja 45. 45 plus 2 47. Getting how you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
See question number 4. Question number
4.
saying which term of an AP, which term of an AP, and AP is given 21, 18, 15 dot is minus 81. Is minus 81. What asking? Which term of an AP is minus 81? Also, is any zero term? Give reason for your answer. Correct. What is asking question? In this term, like this is decreasing order, right? This is decreasing. So is in this AP somewhere 0 will come or not? Asking question. Correct. First question, which term will be minus 81? Which term will be minus 81? Second question, is in this AP anywhere 0 will come or not? If come, then why? Correct. Means we should like prove it like this term will be 0. Getting? Acha. So here term they are asking. What they are asking? Term. In this question, term was given. N was given. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In this question, n was given. In that question, n is asking. AP is given. Yes or no? Means this is your A. This is your
A.
and this is your AN last term. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
AP is given. This is your last term. Then D is equal to how much? 18 minus 21.
Yes, sir.
I told second term minus first term.
First term.
Second term minus first term. So how much become? Say
Zero.
minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha. Now put the formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Yes na? Acha. What is AN? Minus 81. What is A? 21. N we don't know. Yes na?
Yes, sir.
So N minus 1. What is D?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Simplify it. So 21 plus minus 3n
Yes, sir.
plus 3.
Plus 3.
Yes or no? So here this become 24. 24 minus 3n is equal to minus 81. Bring this 24 this side. Yes or no? So minus 81 minus 24 is equal to minus 3n. Yes or no? So this become 5 and 8 plus 2 10. Minus 105 is equal to minus 3n. Minus to minus cancel. Minus to minus cancel. N is equal to 105 by 3.
3.
105 by 3. Get cancel. How many times? 35. 3 3 is 9 and 3 5 is 15. So n is equal to how much? 35. Correct. Means 35th term will be the minus 81.
81.
35th term will be minus 81. Now question is asking which term will be 0. Question asking which term will be 0. Means which term will be 0 means an is given 0.
Yes, sir.
Not understood. Means here the question is saying, say like 21, 18, 15, dot. Somewhere you will get 0 and then after that you will get minus 81. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now asking which term will be 0. Which term will be 0 means an is equal to 0 now.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? In this question last term was the n this much. Now here saying an is equal to 0. We will apply same formula. If we get some term exactly, then we'll say okay, in this AP 0 will come, else it will not come. Yes or no? So in this one, this is your AN, this is your A,
Yeah.
and D is equal to again minus 3 only.
Yes, sir.
D is equal to again. So what is the N formula? N is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. N is equal to 0.
0.
N is equal to 0. A is equal to 21. N we don't know. D is equal to minus 3. So 21 plus or minus? Minus 3n plus 3. So shall I bring this 21 this side
Yes, sir.
directly? So minus 21 minus 21. Acha. And if we bring this 3 also this side, so minus 3. Yes or no? Is equal to minus 3n. So this become minus 24 is equal to minus 3n. Minus to minus cancel. 3 8 are 24. So n is equal to 8. So 8th term of the AP will be 0.
0.
8th term of the AP will be 0. Getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood na? So question we are asking which term is 80 minus 81. We have get in this AP 0 is coming or not? Yes, it's coming. And which term? 8th term. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Copy it. Chalo say example number 5. Example number 5. Saying here, determine the AP whose third term is 5. Third term is 5 and seventh term is 9. Seventh term is 9. Getting? I'm saying to find the AP. Saying to find the AP. Acha. For finding AP, what we required first thing? We should have A, we should have D. We should have the first term and then we should have the common difference. If we get the first term and the common difference, we will find the AP. Yes or no? Acha. But here third term and seventh term is given. Third term and from here we should find the AP. So what is the formula for AN? A plus n minus 1 into D? Yes, na? For AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Getting na? So here third term means this is the n given. This is the n given. Yes or no? So A3 is equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Remain thing we are not at all knowing. Yes or no? Means A3 is equal to A plus 2D. Yes or no?
Sir.
Getting how we get? A3 is equal to A plus 2D.
2D.
Means whatever term is here, in D you should write one term less. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
In D you should write one term
Less.
less. Acha. So sir directly here, seventh term is equal to means A7 is equal to A plus 6D.
A plus.
Understood how I written? If here asking third term, we applied in the formula, directly we will get here A plus 2D means whatever term is there, one term less you will get. D will be one term less. Yes, na? So here 7, so A plus 6D.
Yes, sir.
True? Means like question is asking, somebody ask you A19. A,
19,
then what do you write? A plus 18D.
18,
Direct?
Yes, sir.
A17 ask.
16,
A plus 16D. Yes or no? If ask A15,
14D,
A plus 14D. Direct?
Yes, sir.
No confusion? No need to do this much longer step. Yes or no? Acha, now in this one see. So A3 is given how much? 5? A3 is given 5 or not?
5.
So 5 is equal to A plus 2D. And here A7 given 9. So A plus 6D.
D,
Yes or no? Assume this is equation number 1, assume this is equation number 2.
2,
Equation 1 and equation 2. Now from 1 and 2. Simplify this equation. A plus 6D is equal to, first you should write first, right? A plus 2D is equal to 5 and A plus 6D is equal to 9. This kind of solving equation you have learned in the linear equation in two variable.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Do minus.
Cancel.
A cancel. So here become minus of 4D is equal to minus of 4. Yes or no? Minus 4. So D is equal to 1. D is equal to
1.
this D put in the either equation 1 or either equation 2.
2.
Yes or no? So A, be with me. A plus 2. A
plus 2,
because 2 into 1 is 2 only. A plus 2. So this side plus 2, this side minus 2. So 5 minus 2, how much?
3,
3.
So A is equal to,
3.
3,
understood or not?
Yes, sir.
sir,
हिंदी में बोलते हैं चमका कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
दिमाग में चमका मतलब दिमाग में फिट हुआ कि नहीं? सो ए इक्वल टू
3,
3. यस और नो? तो अब हमें ए भी मिल गया
sir,
और डी भी मिल गया. वी हैव गेट ए ऑल्सो, वी हैव गेट डी ऑल्सो. तो अब अपना एपी लिख सकते हैं क्या?
Yes, sir.
कैन वी राइट एपी नाउ? अब वाई कांट? ए सी फर्स्ट टर्म इज 3. फर्स्ट टर्म इज
3,
नेक्स्ट टर्म
9.
3 plus 1.
Yes, sir.
4,
अरे हाउ यू राइट द नेक्स्ट टर्म?
Sir. 4.
4. नेक्स्ट टर्म
5.
5. नेक्स्ट टर्म
6.
6,
7. 8. 9. 10.
like that it will be.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
sir,
Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Pakka?
Okay.
Are yes or no?
sir,
Understood na?
sir,
Now I'll say you how this formula came. How this formula came. At least now you have little bit of idea.
sir,
Correct na? Now I'm saying how this formula came. Now you understand better. Because if I say this thing in the beginning, then it will go all the above it. Correct. Acha. If first term, if first term we write as a, we write as a, means I am taking this is first term, write as a, yes or no. Second term, how we write? A plus d,
Yes, sir.
that thing only you did.
Sir.
3 plus 1,
Yes, sir.
second term, first term plus d, second term plus d, third term, second term plus d, yes or no. So here a2, if I write a3, so a2 plus d, here a1 plus d,
Yes, sir.
yes or no. Acha, here if I write a4 means
A3
plus d,
D.
true or not.
Yes, sir.
If I write a5 means a4
D.
plus d, getting or not. Same like that, if I write an,
Yeah.
correct na, means see whatever term is here becoming one less,
Sir.
becoming,
Unless
so here n is there, here
N is there.
n is there, so one less will happen.
Yes, sir.
Here 5 was there, so 5 minus 1 is there,
Yes, sir.
yes or no. Here 4 is there, so 4 minus 1 is there. Here 2 is there, so 2 minus 1 is there,
Yes, sir.
yes or no. So here n is there, so here n minus 1 should be there, yes or no.
N minus
Whatever term we should do minus 1, means a n minus 1 plus d should be there,
D.
yes or no. Yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Acha, now add it all, add it
All.
all, correct na. So a1 a2 a3 a4 directly it will a n only,
Yes, sir.
a n only, yes or no. Equal to equal to equal to equal to equal to equal to
Yes, sir.
a n, yes or no. Acha, here see,
A.
in this all a1 a2 a3 a4, in that all a is there or not,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
yes or no. Because a1 a only, a1
A only.
a only, a2 so
A1.
a plus d,
Yes, sir.
yes or no. a3 a plus a plus d,
D.
yes or no. a4 a plus a plus a plus a plus d,
D.
yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Getting or not.
Yes,
So sir, right here full common is a only,
sir.
full common is
Yeah.
a only,
Yes.
and d is every time different, same one, d is every time same only. So a plus and this one this one and directly here,
D.
because d is every time same thing,
Yes, sir.
yes or no. So a plus n minus 1 into
D.
d, this you get your final result and get to know how it's came,
Yes, sir.
correct na. If I would have tell you before like for a2 write a1 plus d, then, sir, what you have written, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
So this is the problem, yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Are ha ya na.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Acha, one more thing, if you not understood by this method, not understood by this method, one more thing I'll say. This is a only, this is
Yeah.
a plus 2d,
Yes, sir.
think, not went into mind, I will say, see, this is 3 4 5 6 7, I am taking example of this much only, correct na. First term is 3,
Sir.
first term is 3, second term is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4,
Sir.
yes or no. Next term is 3 plus 1 is equal to 5,
Right.
yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Can I add this term 3 plus 2d,
Yes, sir.
do is 2 time,
Sir.
d is 2 time, yes or no. Acha, next term d plus 3d, so 3 into 1 is 3 is equal to 6, came or not,
Yes, sir.
yes or no. Next term 3 plus 4d
4D.
is equal to
7.
7, came or not,
Sir.
yes or no. And this thing only I told na, a plus 2d a plus 3d a plus 4d, yes or no.
Sir.
So first term a, second term a plus 2d, a plus 3d, this one a plus 4d, this one a plus 5d, means fifth term will be a plus, sorry, a plus 4d. One time you have written more, right?
Yes, sir.
2, 3,
2 3
4,
4
5.
5. Acha, one term become more here, right? Acha, whatever term is coming, one term will be less,
Sir.
whatever term is coming, one term will be
Yes.
less. Acha, so final term will be a plus n minus 1 into d,
3.
because if here 6 term is there, we are getting a plus 5d.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If we are getting 7 term, a plus 6D. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So n term A plus n minus 1 into D. Getting how this formula came?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? So no need to remember, means no, you have to remember. Getting, if you not remember, this is the proof I have just told you, like this formula has came, but nobody is going to ask. Correct, all will ask some questions.
Questions.
Understood? Saying example number 6, right?
Yes, sir.
Check whether 301 is a term of the list of the numbers 5, 11, 17, 23, this dot dot dot. Correct? Again I am reading the question. Check whether 301 is a term of the list of the numbers this. Yes na, means asking, is this term is coming in this or not? This term is coming in this AP or not actually?
Yes, sir.
Yes na, but see how they have written the question. Means in this question there is not a single word comes that is can say like this is question for AP. You should understand this question is of AP because there is no word AP in this, right?
Sir.
Yes or no? Listen the question again. Check whether 301 comes in this list or not.
No. Yes, sir.
Correct. So where is saying like this question is of AP? So you should understand,
Yes, sir.
right? If series is given means it will question of AP only. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Acha, how will check? So this is given AN actually.
Yes, sir.
This is given AN. Acha, find, and this is given your A.
Yes, sir.
This is given your A. So D is equal to 11 minus 5. How much? 11 minus 5.
6.
Correct? Again here 17 minus 11, 6 only. 23 minus 17, 6 only.
6.
Okay. So we have get AN also, we have get A also, we have get D also. Correct na? So we can apply the formula. Which formula? AN. AN is equal to
A plus n minus 1D.
into D.
D.
So AN is how much?
301.
301. A is how much? 5 plus into
D.
D is how much?
6.
6. Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Bring this term this side. Bring this term this side. So 301 minus 5. This side plus 5. This side minus 5. So 301 minus 5 how much?
29.
29. Speak fast.
294.
6.
6. Yes, sir.
See directly. 1 remove here.
Yes, sir.
Become 4.
4.
So 300 minus 4, 296.
296.
So 296 is equal to n minus 1 into 6. So n minus 1 is equal to 296 by 6.
6.
This side multiplication, this side division.
Division.
Acha. Now cancel it. So 6 for the 24.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
6 for the
24.
24 and 4 and 6 remain, right?
Yes, sir.
4 6 or 5 6?
5,
4,
6.
5, 6.
5, 6.
24.
Yes, sir.
24. 9 minus 4 is 5.
5. Yes, sir.
So 56 remain. Is that in 6 table 56 come?
No, sir.
6 table 56 will not come. Means we can't divide exactly.
Yes, sir.
It will not be divisible exactly. So if it is not divisible exactly, 30 will not come in this series.
AP. Yes, sir.
Because see, this is the fourth term. This is the fourth term. Fifth term means pakka fifth term will be something. We can't say 5.5 term will be this much. We can't find, right? 5.4 term will be something. We either say fourth term, fifth term, sixth term, seventh term. Yes or no? We not say like 4.2 term. Correct? So here the answer is coming in decimal.
Yes, sir.
So 301 will not at all come in this AP.
Down.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So we write 301 will write not come in 5, 11, 17, 23. Done?
Yes, sir.
Correct na? Means don't think like question is given means it will come only. It will not have been come also. True?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Example number
7.
7. Right? What is saying? How many 2 digits number
How many two?
How many two digits number divisible by 3? Divisible by
3.
3.
Number.
So 2 digit means from 10 to 99.
Sir.
10 to
99.
99. But is it 10 is divisible? Is it 10 is divisible by 3?
No, sir.
Arey no. But 12 is divisible.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Yes or no? And 99 is divisible or not?
Yes, sir.
33.
Yes,
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So this become your first term.
Second term.
This become your first term. This become your last term.
First
Last
term.
means an. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And it is the multiple of 3. Multiple of
3.
3.
because saying divisible of 3, so multiple of
3.
3. Multiple of 3 means d is equal to 3. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
What will get next term? 15 you will get. Next term what will get? 18 you will get. Like that you will get. Yes or no?
sir.
Now asking how many terms are there? From 12 to 99. From 12 to 99. How many terms are there that is divisible by 3?
3.
समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
अरे हाँ या ना?
By 3.
12 to 99 कितने ऐसे नंबर हैं जो 3 से डिविजिबल है? करेक्ट है?
Yes, sir.
तो you get your first term also, last term also and common difference also. True? Apply formula. An is equal to speak
A plus n minus 1 d
into
into d.
अरे it's there right?
Sir.
So at least by seeing a speak, so 99 is equal to 12 plus n minus 1 into d.
D.
And d value also you know right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
See, अब देखो डायरेक्ट कैसे करते हैं. 99 minus 12. 99.
Minus 12.
Minus 12.
This side 3 multiplication. This side 3
Plus
division.
division. Yes,
This
sir.
side multiplication. This side
Division.
is equal to n minus 1. True or not?
Sir.
True or not? So here become 87.
87, 89.
Pakka.
Yes, sir.
9 minus 2 7. 9 minus 1 8 by 3 is equal to n minus 1.
Sir.
Cut it. 3 2 ja 6.
6.
3 2 ja
Six.
6. 2 7. 3 9 ja 27.
7.
So n is equal to 29 plus 1. N is equal to
30.
30 means in between 12 to 99 there are 30 numbers which is divisible by 3.
3.
Understood?
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, next question. Or shall I rub first? Leave I do here. Example number 8. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
See, question is saying find the 11th term from the last. See, question came from the last, right? Find the 11th term from the last. I'm writing here. We should find 11th term from the last. Of the AP is given 10, 7, 4, minus 62. Minus 62 means we should not find from here. We should not find from here. Now we should find from here.
Minus 62.
Yes, na?
Yes, sir.
Minus we should find from this side. And which term we should find? 11th term.
Yes, sir.
We should find 11th term. Acha. Now I'm writing this formula. Because it's saying from the last, because it's saying from the last, we'll write AL.
L.
AL. Last term, right? So AL is equal to
L is equal to A plus n minus 1
into
into d.
D. But here we get A, no, correct only. A plus n minus 1 into
D.
D. A plus n minus 1 into
D.
D. So this is your AL last term.
Yes, sir.
Correct na? Acha, what is first term?
First term A is 10.
A is 10.
10.
What is N?
N 62.
A is 10, right? L is how much?
L is 62. Minus 62.
Arre, AL to you know, right?
Yes, sir.
What is A?
10.
Is 10. What is D?
10 plus
7 minus 10? Minus 3.
3.
Yes or no? I thought you people get understood, so I not written.
Minus 3.
Understood everything?
Yes, sir.
So AL, how much? Minus 62.
Minus 62.
Written here, na?
Yes, sir.
Last term is what?
62.
AL means last term. Either you write AL or just write simply L.
Yes, sir.
Getting?
Last term.
So last term written, A is how much? 10
10.
plus n minus 1. D is how much?
-3.
Minus 3.
Three.
Simplify. 10 plus
Plus.
or minus?
Minus.
Yes.
Minus 3n plus 3
3.
is equal to 62. Bring this 10 this side.
Yes, sir.
Bring this 10 this side or bring this 13 this side.
13 this. Yes, sir.
Directly become 13.
Sir.
Yes, na? So minus 62 minus 13 is equal to minus 3n.
Yeah.
True na?
Yes, sir.
How much become? 3 plus 2, 5, 6 plus 1, 7.
Right.
Is equal to minus 3n.
Yeah.
Minus to minus cancel. N is equal to 75 by 3.
3.
75 by 3. Cancel 25 times. So n is equal to
25.
25. N is equal to 25. Getting or not?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
So here you get n is equal to 25. But what are the question? Question was what?
Sir.
You should find the 11th term.
11th term. Yes, sir.
Here we have get just total number of term.
Number of terms.
But you have not get the 11th term as yet still.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Acha. So now what we will do?
25.
Wait, I rub first. See here. We have get n is equal to 25.
Yes, sir.
N is equal to
25.
means from 10 to minus 62. From 10 to minus 62, how many terms we have?
30.
25 terms.
25 terms we have. Now question is asking find the 11th term from the last. 11th term from the last. Acha. So saying from the last, so we'll take A as minus 62 because it should come from this side.
Sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Come from this side. And D is equal to how much you get? D is equal to
-3.
-3.
D is equal to minus 3. We are going from this side then.
Sir.
If you are going from this side, then D is equal to minus 3.
Yes, sir.
Coming from this side, then D is equal to plus 3. Not understood.
No, sir.
See,
Sir.
now your AP is what? Minus 62 something, then 4, 7, 10. Are yes or no? Saying from the last, I have written from the last.
Yes, sir.
Means we have flipped.
Flip.
We have
Yeah.
flipped. Yes or no? So in this situation, your first term becomes 68 minus 62. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And D become, there it was minus 3. So here it will become plus 3. Yes or no?
sir.
Do now. Last term, second term minus first term. So 10 minus 7 is equal to 3. This is your D.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now a question asking, we get D is equal to 3.
Sir.
Getting how? Now apply the formula. A is equal to A plus n minus 1 into
D.
D. So A11 you should find.
Yes, sir.
A11. So A is equal to minus 62 plus 11 minus 1 into 3.
3.
Yes, na? So minus 62 plus 10 into 3. So minus 62 plus 30
30.
plus
30.
30. So how much become? Minus 32.
32.
This is A11. And that too A11 from the last.
Last.
A11 from the last, not from the beginning.
Beginning. Yes,
Correct, na? If you try to find the beginning, then what will happen? This is from the last. This is from the
last.
last. If you try to find the beginning,
Okay.
then A11 is equal to, that time A will be how much? A will be 10.
Yes, sir. 10.
A will be
10.
10. D is equal to
-3.
minus 3. And we should find 11th term. So A11 is equal to A plus 10D.
Yes, sir.
A plus
10D.
11 term means 10D. Directly, right? So A is 10 plus 10 into minus 3.
Minus 3.
So 10 minus 30. 10 minus 30 is equal to minus 20. This will get A11 from the beginning.
10 कैसे होगा, sir?
10 how man?
10 plus
11.
30 बनाओ.
11. Allah, sir. Second 11 करना है ना, sir. Is equal
So A11 is equal to A plus 10D. One less is right or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So 10 plus 10 into D is equal to minus 3. D is equal to minus 3. So 10 into 10 minus 30. So minus 20.
20.
So this is the 11th term from the last. 11th term from the, and this is 11th term from the
Beginning.
beginning.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
This is the 25 term. So from first also 11 term can come. From last also 11 term can come.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Copy it now. See, so you have learned how to find from the last and how to find from the beginning.
Sir.
How to find from the last and how to find from the
Beginning.
Now see the formula. If you need to find from the beginning, if you need to find from the beginning, means beginning we should find an. Beginning we should find an. Then what formula is right? A plus n minus 1 into d. Paka? A plus n minus 1 into d. But if you need to find from the last, if you need to find from the last, from the last we're saying to find nth term. Nth term means 11 term, 12 term, 13 term. Then what we will do? Right here last term minus last term minus n minus 1 into d.
D.
Getting? Last term minus n minus 1 into
D.
d. Getting? Yes or no?
Sir.
And if you don't want to write last term, you can write al minus n minus 1 into d. This is the difference.
Yes, sir.
Correct na? Here it will come plus, here it will come minus. True? No need to write this opposite and something.
Yes, sir.
Getting? Just directly apply the formula, get the solution. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Copy it.